Your chair still waits, gathers dust somehow. I hear your voice in the ticking clock. Every second feels like a door I can't unlock. I burn the toast just like you laugh about.
Say it's okay, love, don't figure it out. But the kitchen's cold and I'm standing alone, learning how to breathe without you at home.
If I could go back home just one more night, I'd let you hold me, I wouldn't fight. I'd say the words I was too tired to say, tell you I needed you to stay. Now I'm older, but I feel so small, still reaching for you when I fall. I wear your lessons like worn out shoes. They fit my life, but they ache with use. You gave me strength and let me go. Never said how much that hurt you so. I thought I had time, I thought you'd wait. Didn't know love could come with a date. Now every road feels too far, too long. 'Cause the place I ran to is where you're gone. If I could go back home just one more night, I'd let you hold me, I wouldn't fight. I'd say the words I was too scared to say, tell you I needed you to stay. Now I'm older, but I feel so small, still reaching for you when I fall. They say you're proud, they say you see, but I still need you next to me. I whisper mom into the dark, like maybe you'll hear it where you are. If heaven's close, then don't be far. I'm tired of pretending strong and scarred. I'm doing fine, oh that's what I say, but I miss you in the quiet ways. No matter how tall I've grown, I still wanna go back home. If love is light, then you're the glow, guiding me where I don't know. I'll carry you in everything I do. But some nights I just miss you.